Alright, so this is my 2008 F-150 I just purchased, and I'm getting ready to install this into the factory radio. So let me get this going. I gotta get my little tools and my little headlamp going. Yeah, this has been a sweet deal I couldn't pass up. Bought it from the same dealer that I had my other F-150. But what I like more about this one is, well, a single cab for one, and it's a nice truck. So I like it. 4-wheel drive. Not that I need 4-wheel drive, but 08, 2 years newer than my other truck. A lot less mileage, about 80,000 miles less than